If I want to find the average speed of the particle, this is not the speed at any given moment, but the overall speed for distance traveled over time, I would see that the distance traveled would be 4 amplitudes to go from start to equilibrium to the other side, back up to equilibrium, and then to return. I would have 4 amplitudes distance traveled for any cycle. If I divide that by the period, I get the average speed of the object vibrating up and down. If I want the instantaneous velocity, however, at a particular moment, at present we're going to need to use calculus, and that is outside our scope. Later on in the year, we'll have other techniques that we can use that avoid calculus, but right now, that is outside our interest. We should be able to calculate the average speed of a particle or the average speed of an object vibrating up and down, and be able to simply explain why it's not the instantaneous. And know that we could never use this equation whatsoever to actually find the particle's instantaneous speed, only for the average. I know there's a whole lot of information here. Many people struggle this in the beginning. It actually isn't that complicated with a little bit of practice. So of course, as always, when you come to class, we're going to work on all this. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Your complete understanding of this material is not required at this point. Again, just becoming familiar with this is what we're looking for, and we'll work on this in